throughout the Upanishads and the Puranas, including Bhagavat Purana, Srimad Bhagavatam, you will see many pastimes involving Lord Shiva and Krishna or Vishnu. In Rameshwaram, we have the pastime in Treta Yuga of Lord Ram praying to Lord Shiva, the Shiva Linga there, before going to Lanka, because Ravana was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Then in Krishna Lila, in Bhagavat Purana, you have the pastime of Banasura. Banasura, he was a very powerful king, and somehow or other, although anatomically it seems rather perplexing, but somehow or other, he had 1,000 arms. We have 2, Duibhuj, but he was Sahasrabhuj, 1,000 arms. And one time, he started playing a drum. He was playing some drums, dundubi, or mridanga, dolak, some type of drums he was playing. And when Lord Shiva heard the drum playing, he was very, very satisfied. He was very happy. He was santosh. He's asutosh and santosh. This time he was very happy, very pleased, santosh. And being very happy, Shiva started dancing. His Tandava Nritya, his joyful dance that usually he dances at the time of destruction. So being very pleased by the drumming of Banasura, Lord Shiva asked Banasura, "What can I do for you? Do you want any benediction or boon?" And Banasura said, "My Lord, if I have your darshan every day, that would be my only desire." Lord Shiva agreed to live in the kingdom of Banasura in one form.